Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anu Agrawal. I am a dietitian. I hope you all are doing well during this pandemic situation of COVID-19 and taking a good care for your health. So today I am going to talk about India's most stable food, that is wheat, and in the last I will share one very good tip with you all. So nowadays in weight loss journey, everybody is thought that we need to avoid wheat, whereas cereals like wheat are the most important and nutritious food as well. So let's know some fact. I will tell you what form we need to take and what form we should avoid it. So we can use wheat as a whole grain flour. We can use a little coarse flour of the wheat, and we can also add husk. We can use it as a broken wheat in the breakfast or in the dinner meal, because wheat germ or husk has very good amount of fibers, minerals like zinc, selenium and phosphorus, very good amount of vitamin E, B group vitamin like riboflavin and thiamine, and very good amount of bioactive components. So having these properties, it helps to protect us from various colon diseases and also lead to immune activation. According to the researches, most of our immune system is depend on our good gut health. So we need to avoid all white form of the wheat like refined flour and its product, packaged food in the form of biscuit, white bread and cookies. We can use some millet in the whole wheat flour also. We need to take it at the proper time and we need to control the portion size. Here is one tip. So for this, we need to take 1 teaspoon of broken wheat, and if broken wheat is not available, we can take 1 teaspoon of whole wheat grain. Soaked it in 1 glass of water for the overnight, boil that water, add some lemon zest, sieve and drink empty stomach. It will help to reduce the acne problem, improve gut microbiota, help to cut out the belly fat, provide the energy during workout, and also help to boost the immune system. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and you can visit to my website also, www.onediettoday.com, and I wish that you will try this tip definitely. Thank you so much.